Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So if you remember correctly from my previous video, I showed you that resistance area here and it got rejected at the 88.7 FIB level. I think we already saw a rejection in the last video. So it's currently following the primary path here, which is, because it's selling down quite impulsive. It's selling off quite impulsively. So it's probably the C wave here that I've had on the chart as primary count already, because it's coming down very impulsive, right? I mean, the orange count isn't ruled out. The orange count is the direct escalation count. So I did tell you that in the orange count, we obviously rallied in a wave one of last Monday's low to the 29th of March high. We then came down in a wave two, and we are now in a third wave. But within the third wave, you have here a 1-2 setup. But again, it came down a little bit too low. I explained that in the previous video, not to the degree that it invalidated the 1-2 setup, but to the degree that it's unlikely. It's the orange wave 2. It rallied quite impulsively again, but now comes down quite impulsively. So, I mean, you could make the case and say, all right, maybe it's the 1-2 setup of the third wave. Is it likely? Well, not too much, because the wave 2 came down so low. Yeah, whenever it breaks these key Fibonacci levels, then things are getting unlikely. So that's why I kept the white count, the primary, indicating that we rallied in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here to the 31st of March, and that this is a wave 2. In the wave 2, possible wave A complete, wave B to the upside, and now make that deeper C wave. And again, as long as we're holding 35.2 cents, the focus can be on higher. We are now, I mean, I would be watching already if we find some support basically in this region now, because looking just at this particular movement here, we're now coming into support. So the golden ratio is here at 38.4 cents and then 37.8. If we hold 37.8, we could rally straight away. It's certainly a level to watch, but my primary view would be that we are coming down here now in a deeper C wave. It can easily do that the way it's going at the moment. Now things can change quickly here on the lower time frames, but my view remains that as long as we're holding above 35.2 cents, we can focus generally on higher in a third wave. In the worst, let's say in the worst case of the bullish scenarios, we are going to reset large wave 2, but we're not there yet. First of all, let's see if this yellow box is holding. So far it did, rallied into resistance, got rejected, comes down again, might react to support again. So it's a bit of up and down here. We haven't really seen the substantial breakout yet. To get that, to see that, we need to rally impulsively above the 41 cent level. Yeah, so these are the key levels we need to watch at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.